Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video we are going to see style system that is used inside the templates. So we are going to see like how to create the style system and how to utilize that. So like there are ways we can configure the style system. So for that what we can do, let me quickly close that. So this is the particular page and this is the particular template. Okay, so inside this layout container, if I go to the policy, so you can see inside the policy we have one option of styles, right? So inside the styles we can add our styles as we want. So if we go to the styles, then you have the option to add a style. So simply click the add and select that styles can be combined and click add. Now hit it 2 times because I want it, like I will show you why I'm picking 2 times. So when a style group is created, you just need to do one thing. Just type the group name, that is, I'm saying custom style. Like it is custom, it is as per user, so I'm providing custom style as its name. And inside the styles I'm doing what, I'm providing the two values. So the values are style name is dark and its css class is cmp hyphen list hyphen dark. So these are predefined classes. So from where I able to find it out, so that I will show you in the later videos. Until then you can like use this like cmp list and hyphen large. Okay, now if I check this and save that, so styles is done. Now if I go to my page, I am refreshing it. Now I will do one thing, like I will add one list here. So let me quickly add one list component here. Now you can see list is there. I'm going to configure it. So when I'm configure it, let me, okay, so it is asking for the build list using child pages. So it is asking for the parent page. So for the parent page I will go to the V retail language master English and I will pick my page, that is Kuldeep practice, and I will hit the OK button. Display as news, okay, only one option is available. Order by, so inside the order name we have these properties. So what are these are like crxde node properties, so we will see later. So I am ordering by this jcr title. There I'm not providing any limit. So if I click ok and if I hit the refresh button again, then I must be able to see that list. So the list is visible, but it is like header is above that and it is like not visible clearly. So what I will do, I will place this header and header before and this, like let me show you. Like if I show you the content tree, then header is somewhere here, okay, and inside the layout container we have lot of things like you can see. So what I'm going to do, I am just uh, this layer head footer, I'm deleting this footer from here, delete, and after that at the last I'm placing the footer. Now you can see like the things become quite clear. Now if I again refresh my page, then you must be able to see the things clearly. Yeah, so you can see, so this is the login form, so I use that, so I'm deleting that. Okay, so this is the particular list. So if we see, this is the list. Okay, so if I hit the preview button, and this is the particular list, if I again edit that, and inside that, currently like no style system is visible for that. So why the style system is not available here? So for that, what we can do, we need to create one page. Give me 2 minutes. I'm just thinking in my way, like why this thing is not working. So for me, I'm not able to see the style system. So maybe it is due to my VM instance issue. But otherwise, like you must be able to see. This is not the components. Let me see other thing also. So is there any other list available? So if I type list list, so v retail list is there. Okay, so if I configure that, let's see whether that works or not. Okay, so I'm ordering by title, sending, hit okay. Okay, so I have picked some wrong attributes, so due to that I think it is not showing. Now if I go here, then if I refresh the page, okay, so now you can see there is an option of style. So if I select the dark and large, then we can see there must be some difference. So difference is not visible to us. So the reason for that is that because the layout container have some styles, okay, but this list is not having any styles. So what we can do, inside the layout container we have the dark. So if I again add some, let's take the example of some title here. Title, yes. So now if I hit the style, where's the style, instead of large, dark, so it is not reflecting. So it may be due to my AEM instance, it is not reflecting, but a style system works in that way only. So if I show you like how the things work, then there is an example. What can I do? If I go to the AEM instance and go to my sites console, inside the sites console, if I open any page, let's take the example of English. Inside the clip practice, we have one page that is tabs practice. If I edit that, now you can see like there is a, like this is the first step. So if I go inside this particular image is there, okay, so here also this is the list, okay. So here you can see a option of style is coming. So it may be due to some content policy. I need to look inside that particularly because why it is not working. So if I hit the block, then you can see it is reflecting as a block. If I am clicking on a grid, then it is showing as a grid. If I click on the date, it is simply taking the date. If I am passing image, then it will show the image, otherwise it is not. So this is how the style system is working. So I will like recheck these things, like why this is not working as of now. So once I will do that, then I will like revert back to you like how the things is working. Until then you can like practice the same and keep posted.